Hey there, homeowners in Abingdon, Maryland. Have you been wondering if it's time to remodel your bathroom? Steck Realty and Remodeling has got you covered. Here are 9 key signs that it might be time for an upgrade. First up, mold issues. If you're constantly battling mold, it's a sign that your bathroom needs better ventilation and moisture control. Next, chipped tiles. They're more than just an eyesore. Damaged tiles can lead to water damage and even mold growth. Leaky faucets are another red flag. Not only do they waste water, but they can also cause long-term damage to your bathroom fixtures. Outdated designs. If your bathroom feels like a blast from the past in a bad way, it's time for a modern update. Changing family needs are also a big indicator. Whether you need more space for little ones or aging parents, a remodel can make your bathroom more functional for everyone. Thinking about selling your home? A bathroom remodel can significantly boost your home's value and appeal. Maximizing small spaces is crucial. If your bathroom feels cramped, a remodel can help you make the most of every square inch. Lack of personal style? Your bathroom should reflect your taste and preferences. If it doesn't, it's time for a change. Finally, difficulty cleaning is a big sign. Modern materials and designs can make your bathroom much easier to maintain. A bathroom remodel can address mold problems, improve energy efficiency, and enhance functionality while boosting your home's value. Whether you're seeking more space or a modern low-maintenance design, Steck Realty and Remodeling can bring your vision to life. Contact us today to get started. Thanks for watching.